In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password in Windows, even if you forgot it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few different ways how to do this. So if you got your Windows password, we got method number one, reset password using Microsoft account. This is for Windows 10 or 11. So on the login screen, select I forgot my password. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity via either your email or phone number. Then enter the security code to receive via email or SMS. Set a new password and simply log in. Method 2, use another administrative account. So log in with another admin account. Then we need to open control panel, go to user accounts, manage another account, select the locked account and choose change the password. Set a new password and use it to log in. Method number 3. So you can reset a password using a password reset disk if created before though. So you can insert the password reset disk on the login screen, enter the wrong password. Once the select reset password, follow the wizard to set a new password. Method number 4, reset password using safe mode. This is if you have an admin account, so you want to restart your PC and press F8 for older versions, or shift and restart to access recovery option. Select troubleshoot, advanced options, command prompt, type net user, username, new password. Replace the username with your account name and new password with your new password. Restart and log in with the new password. Method 5 here, reset password, last resort plus this could be data loss. So boot into Windows recovery mode, shift plus restart. Select troubleshoot, reset this PC. Choose keep my files to preserve files or remove anything. And then just follow the on-screen instructions.